Welcome to 5 Minute Tool Reviews, where I review a tool that I bought with my own money in 5 minutes or less. Today I'm reviewing my retractable hose reel that I got from Lowe's. It's a Kobalt brand, and let's take a look at it. Alright, as you can see, it's a retractable hose reel. It's made of metal. It has a spring inside and a hose attached. I mounted this in the ceiling right dead center of my shop. I actually think I want it in a different spot now that I've used it for a few weeks. But it's right here by both workbenches. It's right here by both workbenches, so it's really easy to use. The advantage of this is I'm not tripping over my cord or my hoses. You can pull it out. I don't know if the camera picked up the click, but it locks in a few different spots. Right here, and then to retract it, you let it go. Whenever we opened up this box, one of the things I noticed the most, it smelled like something horrible. Like seriously stunk up the whole shop, all kinds of nasty chemicals, I'm sure, that are in it because, you know, right there. But after, you know, a few days of off-gassing, it was fine. We mounted it. It doesn't feel super duper high quality to me. I imagine as much as we use it, which is like every single day, it's gonna wear out eventually. I'm pretty happy with the hose. It's nice and flexible. You can see we put a little piece of tape to stop this guy from falling back too much. You do have to supply your own ends. Now when you get it, it only comes with like a 3 or 4 foot whip hose. Luckily I had a spare 3/8 inch line that I just ran up and over. And I just ran up, over, then down to my little 6-gallon air compressor that sits here in the corner. I drained this today after much neglect, and it had a ton of water in it. The air compressor sits over here out of the way, and I've got my hose right here. Now this comes with 50 foot, and in my 500 square foot shop, give or take, this lets me get every corner of the shop really well. And so being over the head like that, it is perfect. That's a 5 minute tool review right there. All right, we got 2 minutes left to go on this review, so let's go outside and I'll show you my other hose reels. All right, so that's my hose reel that lives in my shop. It's the auto retracting. It stays plugged in all the time. It's nice. It's super nice, but in my trailer, 50 foot is not enough. So what I have here is a garden hose reel that is about almost done doing the video. This is a $20 garden hose reel. So that in there was about $100. Came with the hose. This is $20. You can put your own hose in it. I have 2 100-foot cords plus 50, so I have 250 foot of hose. I can park this in somebody's driveway, and in most houses I work on, except, you know, super huge houses, I can go anywhere I want to go with that. The disadvantage is you can't leave this guy plugged in, so you do have to have a little pigtail right here that then plugs into your compressor right there. I did notch out my trailer where the hose can go, and I can lock it, or lock the electrical cord, and I did the same thing with the electrical cord. You do have to unplug it. You can see here my former apprentice, not my current one, left it plugged in, decided to roll it up, which was kind of sucky. But you can roll that up right there. All you have to do is unplug it from the pigtail, zip tied that right there. So those are my hose reel setups. If you are mobile and you need over 100 foot, this is the way to do it. If you have a shop and you have a little bit of extra money to spurge, that auto retracting one inside is definitely just for the less annoying of it, just because of the convenience of having the cord right there that you're not tripping over. It's not in the way. It can easily get out of your way. It's just a great little addition. But if you are mobile, these $20 garden hose reels can be modified to hold 100 foot of extension cord and about 300 foot of air hose.